Father, but remain peace, to remind ourselves that it is important. Let us learn to send the practice.
Good morning, everyone. It's time to wake up. Tonight is beautiful and it's almost done. Have to wake up this early. My bed is so warm.
Maybe, but the walk of prayer is longer than a blanket.
That's true. Every time I wake up early like this, I feel stronger for the whole day.
Yes, waking up for tahajjud isn't easy, but great days never go easy, right?
Exactly. If we can fight for Allah, we can fight anything else in life.
Sometimes when I wake up, I feel so tired. But when I remember that Allah is waiting to listen, my heart wakes up first. That's beautiful, Dada. You're right. Prayer isn't just about asking. It's about connecting.
Hey girls, look around. We're not just praying in the same door. We're sisters in faith.
Yeah, every morning we wake each other up. We make each other and grow together.
Yes, and one day, when we're far from here, I hope you will remember this. The quiet mornings, the laughter, and the strength that comes from prayer.
The seven people down. They want more than just peace. They want the best.
Because prayer doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers, and this will wake up the reality, and light the way for faith.